Hi, my name is Lucia Piero, and I'm with the Massachusetts Pirate Party. And we support Bradley Manning and WikiLeaks because we are the party that believes in your business is your business, and the government's business is your business. And we believe in actual journalism and freedom of information. So we came out here to show our support for Bradley. It was an Icelandic pirate who released the Collateral murder video, Birgitta Jónsdóttir, and of course she's got the U.S. government now very up in her business because of that. And we think this young man is being made an example of, being thrown under the bus so that other people will be killed. Don't do this. This is a cautionary tale. Don't speak up or you will suffer. Don't speak up on social media either, because there's a young man who's going to be seen in Lawrence District Court on Monday, Cameron D'Ambrosio, who posted some lyrics on Facebook, and he's being held now as a terrorist in Massachusetts. Can you believe that? The example again is being set. Watch what you say. And that's unacceptable. This country was based, the very first amendment they put on the Bill of Rights was freedom of speech, freedom of assembly, freedom to think what you want. And people have the thought police in their own brains. Oh, I better be careful what I say. I better be careful what I tweet. That's what they want. Don't let them do that. Get out and support Bradley. Don't let people tell you that he's a criminal. He's a hero. And these wars are criminal. These wars are criminal, and we need to support him. We need to support WikiLeaks, who are an organization of actual journalists. We also need to protect our internet rights because we're not getting the news from the news. We're getting the news from the internet. Everybody here got this information from the internet. We can't have, fortunately, CISPA died, but their zombie laws, they keep coming back, they keep rewriting them. All they want to do is watch you, see what you're saying, make you afraid. Don't let that happen. Because then Bradley is suffering for nothing. You understand? Thank you very much for coming out today.
Woo! All right.